calling Spain Hotel. How can I help you?
I would prefer a deluxe room if available.
Certainly, let me check availability. Could I get your details, please? Name and contact number. Perfect. We have a deluxe room available for those days. Let me confirm the reservation for you. Okay, I have a deluxe room for 2 nights, starting August 15, 16 under the name of Bea Brothers. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
Excellent. Your reservation is now confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. We look forward to welcome you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am Bea. Good morning. Welcome to Spain Hotel.
I have a reservation under the name of Bea Moradas and I'd like to modify it.
Certainly, Bea Moradas, let me pull your reservation. Okay, I have your reservation here. What would you like to change, ma'am?
I'd like to add a breakfast package to my reservation.
Okay, let me add that for you. Alright, I've added the breakfast package to your reservation. That will be additional 1,000 per night. The new total service will be 6,000.
That sounds good.
Perfect. Let me just reconfirm the details. You have a deluxe room for 2 nights, starting August 15, with a breakfast package included under the name of Bea Moradas. The total is 6,000. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is all correct.
Excellent. I've updated your reservation at a new confirmation email. Will be sent to you shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today, ma'am?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Good day. I understand you want to cancel your reservation. May I ask the reason for the cancellation, ma'am?
Yes, I need to cancel due to a change of plans.
Thank you for letting us know. I will now locate your reservation and process the cancellation. Please hold on a moment, ma'am. Your reservation has been successfully cancelled and the status has been updated. Is there anything else I can assist with you, ma'am?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.